sprouts. Bread and soft drink goes together. I will have you as my lunch today.
Excuse me. Hold on, sir. What are you doing?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
I saw what you just did.
You saw what?
I saw what you just did, sir. You just turned those two ladies into bread and soft drink. I saw that. Why would you do a thing like that? Did you see what this man did?
I saw him. That was why I started coming.
How can you turn human beings into
soft
bread and soft drink? What kind of thing is this?
I don't think you know what happened.
What happened? What could possibly happen for you to do a thing like this? Why? Why would you do this? Please, you need to turn them back. Whatever you have done, you need to reverse it.
Please, these are human beings. Turn them, just undo whatever you have done on them. Please, do it. Undo it.
These are people's children, for crying out loud.
I don't think I can do it.
Why? Why would you say that? In fact,
if you don't undo it now, I will come.
Do you have your phone? Please go live. We're going to put you on live.
Hold on.
We're going to call the police now. We're going to put you live.
Hold on, please.
If you don't undo
that, put this man live. Go live. Let the world see him. Let the world see him. Why? Why are you hiding your face? Why are you hiding your face?
You don't have to do that.
Let the world see you. Are you not proud of what you have done?
No, you don't have to do that.
Are you not proud of what you have done?
You don't have to do that because you don't know what they did to me.
It doesn't matter. You can't do a thing like this. It's wrong.
You don't know what they did to me.
What did they do to you?
You don't have to do that, please.
What did they do?
You don't have to do that.
Please, the only thing.
Turn them to human beings now. I will record you live.
Madam, please. You don't have to do that, please. You don't have to do it.
Turn them back.
Turn them back. Turn them back. Turn them back.
I don't think I can do it.
You are saying that?
I don't think I can do it. I can't.
I'm going to go and call the police now. Please record it.
Please just hold on. Hold on.
What are we holding on for? What are we holding on for?
Hold on.
Turn them back. Turn them back. That's what we want. These are people's children.
You don't know what they did to me.
I will shout and people will come here.
What did they do? Especially this one. This one.
Okay, fine. You keep saying it's painful. Do you want to tell us what they did?
Okay. Just hold on. Let me tell you. Okay, this is what happened. I'm so sorry.
Are you mad?
I'm sorry.
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, please.
What do you mean by yourself? Come on, shut up. Let me talk. Can't you see? Are you blind?
That's just I'm sorry.
It is good. You have eyes, but you cannot see.
I was trying to replace someone.
You are walking, you are replying somebody. Is it not obvious that you are mad?
Why will it be?
Come on, shut up. What do you mean by you're replying somebody?
Accept my own apology. I don't understand.
Accept which apology?
Why would you do a thing like this?
Shut up.
Why are you insulting me?
Chief, I pressing on your phone. As when we slapped you, I pressed on this one. What will you do?
Can you perceive that smell?
So
Can you perceive it?
Just to say I'm sorry, it's not enough for you, baby.
Mr. Man, you stink. Shift now. I said you should shift. Hey, what is it? Then you are speaking English.
Very good.
Can you imagine?
That's my friend.
Can you imagine this?
Very good. That's what I'm talking about. Stupid.
What is your
You
problem?
have gotten what you deserve.
Imagine. Rubbish. You're telling me you are speaking English for me. You did something wrong. Instead of you to calm down and apologize politely.
One more word.
You are talking
nonsense.
nonsense.
Give you this slap.
You said shut up. Shut up. Say you are sorry what? What are you sorry for? You are sorry what? You are walking on the road and you are pressing phone. What is your problem? You are sorry. Nonsense. Just take a look at him. You stink, Mr. Man. Go and get deodorant. Rubbish. Let's go.
So you have the guts to insult me.
Okay, fine.
You can see.
We understand that's a very huge insult coming from two little girls to you. But please, it's not enough for you to do this. These are people's children. What if they are your children? What if they are your children? Please. We don't want to escalate this. You know that you are going to get into a lot of trouble if I call the police here now. So please, just have it in your mind to forgive them and just turn them back to humans. Please.
I'm sorry, I don't think I can do this.
You have to.
No, I don't think I can do this.
You have to. You have to.
I don't think I can do. Okay.
You have to. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye-bye.